David Pate writes, what is the fastest you've ever been on a personal watercraft? I went 90. No, I never broke 90. I did not make it into the 90-mile-an-hour club. I went 89.8 on Jerry Gaddis's, I think it was a 2015 VX with a turbo on it. He had a VXR. It had an 1800 with a turbo, and I broke his speed. He was doing like 89.6, and I went 89.8. But in the process, I split the pump tunnel. So I effectively almost sank his ski in getting 89.8 out of that. But yes, that is the fastest I have been. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.